Let me ask you a simple question. Why is it that more people than ever are trying to get rich, but more people than ever feel broke? Everyone is busy chasing money. Yet money keeps running away. Here's something uncomfortable but true. Trying to get rich is the most dangerous financial mindset you can have in 2026. And if you don't change this thinking, AI will not save you. It will expose you. Stay with me, because what you'll hear today can completely change your financial future. Intro story pattern break. A few years ago, everyone was chasing crypto. Before that, real estate. Before that, .com stocks. Different tools. Same story. People enter late, buy high, panic, sell low, then blame the system. Now it's AI. Same emotions. Same mistakes. New technology. History is not repeating itself. Human behavior is, and in 2026, the cost of this mistake will be higher than ever. Part 1. The get-rich illusion. When people say, I want to get rich, what they really mean is, I want to escape discomfort. They want money without patience, results without process, rewards without responsibility. This mindset creates impulsive investing, constant switching, zero compounding. Rich people don't think this way. They don't chase wealth. They build systems that create wealth. Trying to get rich makes you emotional, and emotion is the enemy of money. Part 2. Why AI is dangerous for most people. AI is powerful. AI is real. AI is not going away, but AI is also a mirror. It magnifies discipline, and it magnifies stupidity. Most people are not investing in AI. They are gambling with AI headlines. They buy stocks they don't understand, projects they can't explain, ideas they copied from social media. They think AI is a shortcut, but AI is not a shortcut. It's a multiplier. If your mindset is weak, AI will multiply your losses. Part 3. The silent difference between rich and poor thinking. Poor mindset asks, how fast can I make money? Rich mindset asks, how long can this grow? Poor mindset wants excitement. Rich mindset wants predictability. Poor mindset checks prices daily. Rich mindset checks fundamentals yearly. In 2026, the biggest winners will not be the loudest people online. They will be the quiet ones, building patiently, while others chase noise. Part 4. Do this instead. The real formula. If you want wealth in 2026, do this instead of trying to get rich. Step 1. Control your money before it controls you. Income means nothing without control. Step 2. Build one skill that AI cannot replace easily. Communication, strategy, sales, problem solving. AI rewards people who know how to use it, not people who fear it. Step 3. Create stable income. Stability beats speed. Step 4. Invest slowly and consistently. Boring money grows faster than emotional money. This is how wealth is built. Not overnight, but permanently. Part 5. AI investing done right. Smart AI investing in 2026 looks boring. You invest monthly. Understand what you buy. Hold through fear. Think long-term. You don't jump on every trend. You don't panic on every dip. AI companies will grow, but only patient investors will benefit. Fast money stories disappear. Slow money stories compound. Part 6. Reality check for 2026. 2026 will reward discipline over hype, skills over luck, consistency over motivation. Most people will still be asking, what's the next big thing? A few will be building habits that quietly make them wealthy. Which group will you be in? Part 7. The power of quiet wealth. Most people shout about money. They post it online. They brag about success. Rich people? They move quietly. They let their wealth speak for itself. Quiet wealth is powerful because it avoids unnecessary stress, prevents envy and distractions, compounds silently over time. Remember, loud wealth fades fast. Silent wealth lasts. Part 8. How to think differently. Here's the mindset shift that separates winners from losers. Stop comparing yourself to others. Stop looking for shortcuts. Focus on long-term systems, not short-term excitement. Ask yourself, what habits today will make me rich in 5 years? Rich people answer this daily. Poor people answer it with emotion. Your choice is simple. Follow the herd or build quietly. Part 9. Practical steps for 2026. Now let's make it actionable. Track your money, every dollar matters. Invest in AI slowly, not because it's trending, but because you understand it. Learn skills that AI can't replace. Communication, strategy, leadership. Automate savings and investing. Make your system work while you sleep. These small steps may feel boring, but in 2026, boring is better than fast. Part 10, Final Warning and Motivation. Here's the reality check. Trying to get rich fast is a trap. It will make you stressed, impatient, and prone to mistakes. Instead, focus on discipline, patience, consistency. Your wealth in 2026 will not come from luck. It will come from the habits you build today. Remember this. The loudest people are often the broke ones. The quiet ones win. Start now, start small, and let time do the rest.